I know among some writers there's a real romantic attachment to typewriters. And, I started out writing on a Smith Corona manual portable typewriter. And this Smith Corona of mine was probably 20 years old when I was given it. And it got me through college, and I wrote my senior thesis on it, and I wrote my first couple of books on it, and I completely understand why there are writers out there who just love their typewriters. I get it. I love my typewriter. I still have it. But I haven't used it in probably more than 40 years. I've been using computers for about 40 years. And my latest tool of choice is an Apple MacBook. And I think the reason I adapted so quickly and readily to the computer is that for me, the physical act of writing has always been about recording ideas on paper. It's always been about capturing the flow of plot and character and whatever as quickly and smoothly as possible. I don't want the physicality of it all to get in the way of my brain. I'm just not that smart. So these days, I do everything by computer, and I'm really happy to be doing it that way. I guess you could say I'm just a speed freak.